Okay, video 2 of my EXO MTN Gear K4 pack. Now, originally my first video, these were too high. And I had to play with my pack a little bit. So what I've done, the company did email me back pretty quick. And they said I need to move it up or down a notch or two. So I did that. And I was a little bit panicking. I had to watch their video on how to take the pack away from the frame. Now, what I was impressed about was it took me 20 minutes to figure out first time, but I found out there's where the stays go, they're inside a cup holder. And once I figured that out, they even included a tab where I can grab the stay and pull it out. So literally, if I had to take this pack away from the frame while leaving the lid on, I give it a minute. It really wouldn't take long at all. I was really quite surprised. So, it turned out good. Now, the lumbar, the piece of foam in the back, is sitting right in the crook of my back perfectly. Okay? It feels good. Feels really good. Now, it's hard. Now, they did say you might need to put on like 20 miles to break that in and make it fit like a glove. But these are now lower, which feel pretty good. I could go lower with these. I did lower them a little bit. And they feel really good. Now, also, there is a video in my posts on how to use a tourniquet. It's a great video. It's quite long, 20 minutes or so, but it's a girl from Ukraine, and it's a great video. I suggest you go check out my post and go see it. I'll even put a link at the bottom here. I suggest you really watch that. It was so informative. It was unbelievable. But I think we're all set now. Again, I haven't changed the weight of the pack. Pack's running about 38 pounds. Could I lighten it? Sure, I could. But understand, that's 38 pounds with everything except food. So usually you measure your pack base weight without water and without food. And if I had to do that, I'd probably be running, 28 pounds. So let me show you the back, how it looks. Now, as you can see, I don't have the thermarest underneath. It does give it a different look, kind of. I'm not sure if I'm going to run thermarest someplace else. I'm still debating it. This is a work in progress. Now, like I said, this is sitting really nice, is what it is. So I'm quite comfortable. Super hot here. God, feels like 105. 80% humidity. It's nuts, this heat wave we're in. But it's given me time to get used to my pack and feeling it and playing with it and get it set up. I'm really enjoying this. I mean, between Kafaro, Kiyu, the other high-end packs I've had, so far this pack blows them all out of the water. And I mean blows them out of the water. Now, I haven't done any miles yet. I got to do some miles. But it's really impressive. Now, I understand this pack is American-made, top to bottom. Everything. Okay? Everything. Let me specify that. American-made. All right? It's amazing. And if you've seen this video and you're thinking about pulling the trigger on this pack, if you go watch their vlogs, they're offering a giveaway, and you can get 10% off if you jump on it right now. I'll even have a link to that vlog. So if you're watching this video 3 months from now, probably not. Catch you guys on the next one.